Zero Fee Solutions, saving merchants thousands one swipe at a time. Here at Zero Fee Solutions, we're very excited to offer this program to U.S. merchants, changing the way they process credit cards. We are literally saving merchants thousands of dollars. With Zero Fee Solutions, your company will be able to accept all 4 major credit and debit cards, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover, for one low flat price per month. Welcome to your new monthly budget. It doesn't matter if you swipe the card with your customer face-to-face, take an order over the phone, or have to key in the numbers. That transaction will not cost you a dime. You will now be able to budget your merchant account fees. Wouldn't it be nice to know to the penny what your fees will be each month, regardless of the amount you accept in credit debit cards? By the time we're done with this short meeting, you will know what your monthly program costs are, as well as precisely how we get your fees covered and why we can deliver this new program to you. We've been issued 3 U.S. patents on this program. Did you know that 76% of the world's merchants no longer pay fees like interchange, authorization, and batch header fees? You're in the minority of companies still paying these high fees. The program we're about to show you here today has been overseas for the past 25 years. This program launched in Australia in 2010, and by 2014, 47% of the country came on board. That's 937,000 merchants who were unchained from fees and started doing business this way. Are you aware that Visa and MasterCard were sued? 7 million merchants filed a class action suit against Visa and MasterCard because of the high and unpredictable monthly cost involved in accepting these cards as a form of payment. I'm sure you've heard the commercials. What's in your wallet? When the major card brands give away points and cash, they take back that money 100% from the business owner. 3 million gas stations per day in the United States are already utilizing this strategy. Average cost per fill-up is only $2, with 14.7 million fill-ups per day. Gas stations do not pay fees for payments at the pump. The customers that want the points and cash back pay at the pump. Those who are price conscious walk inside and pay with cash. Do you remember when ATMs were free? 20 years ago, nobody paid fees for going to an ATM machine. However, bankers got together and ran a ton of surveys and found that for under $5, a U.S. citizen will not change a spending habit. They will spend for convenience, and that's just the way it is. For example, the average cost for an ATM fee is $2.75, and that's not including the fee from your bank. So a customer will pay on average $4.35 for easy, convenient access to their money. And now the top 5 U.S. banks collect over $1 billion per year in ATM fees. Businesses that have already made the transition: Consumers Energy, DTE, Comcast, Dish Network, the Secretary of State, and a ton of post offices, schools, and universities. When you go to the courthouse to get a business license, building permit, or have to deal with the IRS, they have all made the transition to this way of business. All of these companies do way more volume than you and all pay less for monthly fees than you. They chose the flat rate cash discount program. The Zero Fee program includes a flat rate membership fee. We also provide you with new EMV equipment with our patented software that does all the work for you. Software and security updates. Currently, we're at EMV 3.0, and any upgrades that are required we'll provide complimentary in our program. Service and support. If your machine fails to work or needs to be replaced because of accidental damage, let us know. We'll get a new one out to you once a year free of charge. Also included any hardware updates that are required, like the new chip readers. We will supply you with the new equipment and just mail us back the old equipment. We're also going to give you a 5-year price protection. No matter how much volume you do and no matter how much Visa MasterCard increases the rates, we will guarantee your monthly cost for 5 years. Just listen to what some of our customers are saying. Lori in Oscoda writes, I own and operate the Osable River Queen in Oscoda, Michigan. Since I implemented the Zero Fee program, I've had no complaints. Even the isolated comments I get are positive. I'm thrilled. I will never pay a credit card processing fee ever again. We have many more testimonials just like Lori's. The difference is clear. Under your current processing, the traditional CC rates increase multiple times a year. There are 57 different processing fees. Increased sales equals increased processing fees. You must pay for all required upgrades. It's uncontrollable and virtually impossible to budget. But with zero-fee solutions, you get 5-year price protection. The merchant keeps 100% of the sale, as if it's a cash sale. All upgrades are included. It's controllable and budgeted to the penny. Here's how the zero-fee solutions program works. When a customer makes a purchase, as an example for, let's say, $1, our patented software will calculate the convenience fee for you, totaling $1.03. Now, the $1 is what you sold your merchandise for, and the 3 cents is the upfront contribution that the customer makes. That 3 cents goes directly to Visa MasterCard to cover your entire cost of taking that card, and the $1 is yours to keep. You no longer have to be concerned if a customer pays by cash or credit debit. For you, there is no longer a fee. Congratulations! You are literally 7 days away from forever changing the way you process credit cards. We need about 10 minutes of paperwork to get you started. Zero Fee Solutions, saving merchants thousands, one swipe at a time.